Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Rodelyn Sales Nolasco, 42 years old, high school graduate, married, a blessed 5 kids with my husband farmer. I have one brother and 4 sisters, and I'm the youngest. I have a 3 years working experience in Singapore, and I serve 5 members in the house and one dog. Mom and sir, and 3 kids. The kids is 10 years old, 13 years old, and 15 years old. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, marketing, car washing. And then I have 6 years experience in Hong Kong with 3 employer. The first one experience in Hong Kong, I serve 5 members in the house. Mom, sir, 2 kids, and Popo. Popo is 85 years old. The kids is 10 years old and 12 years old. The second one experience in Hong Kong, I serve 4 members in the house. Mom and sir and 2 sons. The third one experience in Hong Kong, I serve 4 members in the house. Sir, mom, and 2 kids and 1 cat. The kids is 10 years old and 12 years old. My duties and responsibilities to cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, marketing, car washing. To my future employer, please hire me, ma'am, sir, and I will do my best to serve your family. Thank you.